Hi guys, so today we are going to make a very different and interesting smoothie or a lassi in which I'm mixing banana as a fruit and I'm using peanut butter, which is very American. Just goes because I think foreigners should have a yogurt based drink which is a very healthy drink, so that's why I'm making this today. So here we go. So first we take some ice. After this we'll put some bananas. Around 1.5 bananas should be good for a smoothie. We'll add some peanut butter. Make sure you add a nice. Last, we'll add some yogurt. And just touch of milk to make it a nice consistency. So here's your very universal take on a lassi, which is a banana and a peanut butter lassi.